In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert calendar invites into marketing emails using HubSpot. This technique can really elevate your marketing game by making it easier for your audience to engage with your events seamlessly. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First off, you'll need to use a calendar platform of your choice. This could be Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or any other service you're most comfortable with. Each of these platforms has its nuances, but they generally offer the same basic functionalities you need. Now, the key part here is to make sure you can create a public link for your event. Depending on which calendar you're using, this might involve selecting an option like Publish Event. Once you've found and selected it, you'll want to copy the public link that it generates for you. This link is going to be essential for the next steps, as it's what your email recipients will click on to add the event to their own calendars. Now, on to HubSpot. If you aren't already, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up, but it's a pretty straightforward process. Once you're in, navigate over to your marketing tools. You'll do this by going to the Marketing tab, then finding and selecting Email. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either open an existing draft or start fresh with a new email. It's completely up to you, but just make sure the email is the one you want to enhance with your calendar invite. Once your email draft is ready, you need to choose a part of it that will act as the clickable link for your calendar invite. This could be a piece of text or even an image. It's always a good idea to pick something noticeable that will encourage your readers to click. After making your selection, look for the link icon on your rich text toolbar. This toolbar is pretty standard in most email editors, and it typically appears when you're working in the text editing area. Click this link icon to proceed to the next step. In the URL field that pops up, paste the public calendar link you copied earlier. This step essentially connects your chosen text or image in the email to the calendar event. And finally, you'll want to find the Add Link button, or whatever confirmation button is available on your platform, and click it to finalize the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully included a calendar invite in your HubSpot marketing email. Now your audience has a convenient way to add your event details directly to their calendars, making it more likely they'll attend and participate. I hope you find success with this feature, and thanks for watching.